Good morning, guys. We're going to do our blending lesson of the day. Today's going to be a short one, so let's get started with words with vowel digraphs / spelling patterns UE, long vowel U blank E. So here we go. A, tray. True. Cut, cute. At, napped, new. Clue, clue, blue. Do, do, June. Tune, dune. Cub, cube. Tub, tube. Hug, huge. Port, birthday. Hood, clerk. Popcorn. Smart. Cook. Stir. Cute. Cutest. Use. Useful. True. Untrue. Let's move on with reading our two sentences. It is a tale about Boot and Sue. One more time. It is a tale about Boot and Sue. Boot gives Sue clues. Boot gives clue. Sorry, let's try again. Boot gives Sue clues. That's right. You try it with a sibling, try it by yourself. You can mute me and then try it, practice it over and over again. Have fun with it. Thanks for blending with me.